Hey guys, Electron Man, how you doing today? Hope everybody's doing good. Well, I got a new product to check out today. Another product review. A Maker ID label printer. You know me and my labels. If I've shown you around my shop, I love to label everything. I label my parts bin drawers. I label my antenna switches. I label everything. So anyway, the one complaint I have about the old label, other than the fact I had to fix it, is that it's got a little bitty keyboard and it's kind of hard to navigate through. And this one here, I think, is going to solve my problem. It's a little bit bigger, and from what I understand, I can actually tether it to my phone or USB, and like use my phone to pre-format my labels and actually print them on here. So a lot more versatile there, and I definitely can work my keyboard on my phone a lot better than I can that little keyboard that comes on that other label maker I got. So anyway, I got this Maker ID label printer E1. We're going to go ahead and do a box opening on it. We're going to review it and see if I like it, and it's going to be more handy than my other label maker. Yeah, they got a nice little cool box here. Almost feels like I'm unboxing a watch. Fancy. Get this cut off of here. And let's see what's included in here. I'll go ahead and be nice and let it open towards you guys. It looks like it was it's a lid. Come on. As you can tell, it's brand new. And there we go. Get that off of there. Actually, set her in there like that. Here's how she comes in the box. Well, you know what? It's got numbers on it. My other one doesn't even have numbers there, which makes it a real pain. You have to do shift to even do numbers. And I already like it because it looks like it's got pretty much a full keyboard on it. Full QWERTY keyboard. It sure does. Nice big display. Let's see what we're going to need for batteries. Wow, I didn't even realize that, but it's rechargeable. It's not it doesn't look like it needs batteries. That's awesome. Let's go ahead and load the tape, and yeah, sure enough, here's the USB cable for it. So yeah, this is to charge it. And there's the manual. And here's my label tape, which it seemed to be pretty well priced as far as tape goes. Just start out with some white here. Let me go ahead and get myself plugged into a USB. Well, let's see if it's got enough power on it without having to charge it first. Actually, let's go ahead and load the tape first. And it just shows okay. So it looks like I just pulled a little leader off of there. I like that, man. It's just like the old tape holders. It's just like just drop it in there and pull it around like that. Shut the lid. Cut her off. Boom. We got her loaded. Super easy to load there, guys. If you notice that was nice. As you can see, you just lay the tape in there, stretch it around there, and boom, you're done there. If it's got any charge on it, let's see here. Sure does. Nice big backlit display. Awesome. Okay, let me. I just got this. I hadn't had a chance to do much research. I'm going to see about charging it a little bit and kind of read up on it here a little bit and figure out as far as do I need an app for my phone, etc. Kind of find out all that stuff here, and I'll come back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and bring you along on this. Yeah, I kind of did the first things. It tells you how to turn it off and on. Of course, it's powered on. It's a lithium battery. The power on button for 2 seconds to light up the screen and power the printer. It'll automatically turn itself off in 30 minutes if you don't power it back on. Set your language. Set your printer language, which obviously for me is English. And then of course you got all your different creating your labels. You know, you got your widths, your links. I really love this full keyboard on it. That's definitely you know, the phone's going to be nice too, but just having that full keyboard is going to be awesome. But let me go ahead and see if I can't download this app here and see what we got going there. Okay, there we go. I clicked the wrong thing, my bad. Let's see, make it simple life. Okay, Android OS, MakeID-Life, install. Give it a couple minutes here to install. I got a pretty fast connection inside here, so it shouldn't take too long. We'll just see how easy it is to get set up and rolling on the phone. I could definitely see advantages of Final Fantasy. It lets you save stuff on the phone and stuff. Go back and just pull it up on your phone and boom, don't even ever have to touch this keyboard. Just do it right from your phone. Big sell point to me, definitely. Come on. It is installing. Okay, go ahead and open it. Select model. Which model is this? E1. So E1. Select. Allow. Make sure your printer's powered on. Okay, let me power it on. Yes, it's powered on. Hit yes. Please click the search button. Search devices. Found it. Click it, I'm guessing. I just clicked the 16. And then, wow. I can do frames, I can do painting, I can do... So I can create some text. So I can say, Yezu FT 991A. I can set my height. I can set my font. Oh, look at all these different fonts I can choose. Oh, I can make this look cool. Look at that, isn't that cool? And you can just download these fonts. Well, there's a bunch of them too. Let's try that one. That's so cool to get to pick different fonts for it. Which one do I like best? Wow. Yeah, I like that one. Okay, they got my font in there now. Got my picture. You can actually even stretch it if you want. Height 16. Yeah, I can go. So I have a little bit more at the end of it if I want, or center it more if I need more there. And then let's see if it works, guys. I'm just going to hit print. How many copies do I want? I want 1 copy. It's cool, you can tell how many copies you want on it too. Okay, she done printed it. Oh yeah. Check it out, guys. Yeah, the Bluetooth's definitely going to be handy. The nice thing is I can save that. So if I want to go back and use it again, I could see this real handy if you were doing a lot of labeling on the network or something. Because of being able to save it and recall it. Yeah, the phone app gives you That is the big part on this one that kind of separates it from other label makers. And of course, it's got the, looks like it's got the typical, yeah, it's got the typical split back on it. There's my label. Ooh, we're going to put this up here. Let me show you. There's my old label. Look at my new label compared to my old label. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun here. Yeah. That looks so much better. A lot darker, too. Got better resolution to it. Cool. Yeah, I'm a liking this. You just can't go wrong. I love the Bluetooth. It's rechargeable. I'll save that in batteries from my other one. Oh, we got one last thing here we got to do. We got to peel that label off, or the cover off of that. I think that pretty much covers it, guys. I don't know what else I need to cover on. I showed you how to load it. What you do is you can also save it on the deal too. Let's see here. You can do vertical or horizontal. You can put a border on it. Cool. Let's back out of that. What's the emoji here? Oh, you can put an emojis on there. You can print emojis. Check that out, guys. Back that out. What do we got here? Oh, special characters. Not sure what that is. Oh, bold. Taking bold or what? Italic, non-italic, underline. There you go, guys. The whole shebang's right there. Definitely impressed. Self-cutter. I like it's portable. Fits in your hand nice. I like the full keyboard on it. Definitely some positives. Definitely Bluetooth's a huge one. Rechargeable battery's a huge one on it. Display's nice and clear and backlit. Not sure what the battery time on it. It's got a self-cutter on it. It's easy to load. What could you not like about this? Anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this little review on the MakeID E1 label maker. I'm totally impressed with it. I'm going to give it 5 stars. I think this is going to be my go-to guide now. It definitely, I like the larger screen, you know, all the different things, the positives I named on it. You can't go wrong for something for under 50 bucks like this. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed this little video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. As always, have a great day.